Welcome back to another video, guys, and for this video we are going to learn how to draw a cycloid. The first step in drawing the cycloid is first to construct your circle. So you're going to draw your circle. Then the next step now is to divide the circumference of the circle in 12 equal parts. So you're just going to go into the divide command, select the object, and you're going to insert 12. Here are your points to signify that your circle, the circumference of the circle, has been divided now. Then now you're going to go into light command to split the circle now into 12 equal parts. Make sure your snap is turned on right now. Then after you finish that, you're going to want to label the points on the circumference. So you're going to go into text, you're going to click on the down arrow, you're going to select single text, ensure that your snap is turned off. Then you're going to type in 1, 2, 3, then after you're finished now, you're going to draw some horizontal lines to these points. So from 8 to 5, through 7 to 4, through 10 to 2, and from 6 down to 12. So now you're going to go into the line command, or you can just click up here. Ensure that your snap is turned on. Then after you're finished now, you're going to want to divide the lower horizontal line, which meets the 12. You're going to divide that into 12 equal parts. So to do that now, you're going to go into the circle command, and at the base of the circle where 12 is, you're going to draw a circle with 12 being the center and character right up to 1. Then now you're going to go into the line to command where the circle intersects the lower line, horizontal line. You're going to project a line upwards, a vertical line upwards. And then the next step now is to copy this line that I just drawn into 12 times, right? So you're going to go to offset. You're going to select the distance between the base of the circle to where the circle intersects the horizontal line, the horizontal baseline. Then you're going to select your object and it's going to step off. So let's count now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so these are not needed. Okay. Yeah, so we're just going to clean up around this, make it look more professional. after you finish doing that now, you are going to draw circles the same radius as the first circle at where these lines, the vertical line, intersect the horizontal line, the horizontal center line of the circle. So this is the center line. So you're going to now copy the first circle, and at each point where it intersects, you're going to draw a circle. Then after you're finished now, this line that you have divided, you're going to label it now. You're going to go into text, go on single text, ensure that your snap is turned off, select here, if this happens, no need to worry, you're just going to select all of them. You're going to right click, then you're going to press on rotate, click on the one, then you see your rotation, okay? Then the next step now is to label your point where the circle cuts each of its corresponding lines, okay? So where the first circle cuts the one line, you're going to draw a point there, okay? With the second circle, this is the second circle, cuts the second line, you're going to draw next point there. So here. Where the third circle cuts the third line, you're going to draw a point there. Where the fourth circle cuts the fourth line, you're going to draw a line there. Where the fifth circle cuts the fifth line, you're going to draw a point there. 6 is going to always be the top, the extreme top, because the 6 is here, the 6 is here, okay? And then now, to make it easier for you guys, I would recommend it that you start from the other side, or you could just select the points that you have just done, and mirror it to the other side. So you're going to go on mirror, right? Use here as center. So automatically it will divide at the same place. Then now you're going to go into spline. This is where you're going to get your cycloid, okay? here is now your cycloid. So this line here is your cycloid. So if you want to place them in layer, you can do so, to not, if you don't want to get confused. Okay, so this here is your cycloid. Thank you. We have reached to the end of the video. Please like, comment, and make sure to subscribe.